Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're bringing an easy bean burrito recipe which requires very few ingredients and is tasty to eat. Let's get started. First, take 1.5 cup of boiled beans. You can take canned beans as well if you want. Put it in a blender and take 5 garlic cloves. Add half cup of water and blend all of it until it becomes a nice paste. Now take it out in a bowl. Take 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Chop 2 jalapenos. Now in a heated pan, add 4 tablespoons of oil. After the oil is heated, add the onions and cook it until it becomes soft. And now add the jalapenos. After a quick stir, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Now we take our blended beans, add it to the pan. Give it a nice mix. Add salt as per your taste. After mixing for about 3 minutes, take it out. Take a tortilla, add the prepared bean mixture and roll it. The amount of beans we used is enough to make 6 medium-sized burritos. Tasty bean burrito is ready to be eaten. This is a delicious vegan-friendly dish. Try it. Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so and hit that bell icon so that way you can receive our coming up video as soon as we upload it. Thank you and goodbye.